In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Slack notifications not working. If you've ever missed an important Slack message because your notifications didn't alert you, don't worry, you're not alone, and we have some simple solutions for you. Let's dive into how you can make sure those notifications are always up and running as they should be. First things first, let's check your internet connection. While this might seem obvious, Slack notifications rely on a stable internet connection. If you're experiencing connectivity issues, your notifications might not come through. Try disconnecting and reconnecting to your network or using a different Wi-Fi if possible. Once you've ensured your internet connection is stable, let's move on to checking your notification settings in Slack. Open Slack and go to the top left corner of the window. Click on your workspace name to open a drop-down menu, and from there, select Preferences. In the Preferences menu, navigate to Notifications. Here, you want to make sure that your notifications are set to All New Messages if you want to receive alerts for everything. Alternatively, if you prefer only specific alerts, adjust these settings to fit your needs. Another crucial area to check is your device's notification settings. Sometimes it's not Slack that's the issue, but rather your phone or computer is blocking notifications. On mobile devices, head over to your device settings. Find Notifications and then locate Slack in your list of apps. Ensure notifications are allowed. For desktop users, take a look through your system preferences or settings and confirm that Slack notifications are enabled there too. Next, let's consider updating your Slack app. Running an outdated version might cause some functionalities, including notifications, to malfunction. This is an easy fix. Simply check your App Store or Slack's website for updates and ensure you're using the most current version available. On occasion, cache buildup can also interfere with app performance, including notification delivery. Clearing your cache helps resolve this. In the Slack desktop app, click on Help in the top navigation, then select Troubleshooting and choose Clear Cache and Restart. This will refresh the application and can improve overall performance. If you've tried all these steps and your notifications still aren't working as expected, Slack's technical support can offer more tailored assistance. You'll find support options on Slack's website where you can contact their team directly for more help. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to troubleshooting your Slack notifications. Implementing these solutions will help ensure you never miss another important message. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps help keep you connected and notified.